This is question 8 from the GATE 2021 EC paper, where we are given a common source amplifier with an active load and are asked to find out the small signal voltage gain ignoring the body effect. Underneath the question, you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic.
So let us proceed with solving this problem. We are given a common source amplifier with PMOS active load. That is, the common source amplifier has both the driving transistor and the active load transistor as PMOS, right? And GM1 and GM2 and RO1 and RO2 are the transconductance and drain to source resistance of the MOSFETs M1 and M2 respectively. So with this, we can draw the small signal equivalent as so, right? So this is the small signal equivalent of a PMOS, which is drawn over here, right? The VDD is the DC voltage, DC supplies are both grounded, right? And straight away you can see that VGS1 is equal to minus Vout. Thus the bottom transistor, that is the bottom transistor PMOS has a current as GM1 times minus Vout, right? So essentially, since the current going here is negative, it's basically that the positive direction of current is like that, and it is GM Vout, right? So it is just a resistor with resistance 1 by GM1, right? Thus the total resistance on the bottom is, or at least the total resistance is, you can replace this by a resistor, right? This whole thing gets replaced by a resistor whose value is 1 by Gm, right? So resistor whose value is 1 by Gm1, right? So this resistor and this resistor are all connected between Vout and ground, so they're all in parallel, right? So let's go ahead and take it as the total resistance that the top PMOS, that is the top PMOS is feeding, is 1 by GM1 in parallel with RO1 and parallel with RO2. Thus basically it is minus GM. So the current flowing in this direction is, the total current flowing through the parallel combination of the three resistors is minus GM VGS2, and so therefore it is a gain of minus GM2 times the parallel resistance, right? This is the correct answer, which if you look at the options is option